We're at the trailhead for leading up to Panamint City. Good morning.
Brewery Springs, 4,820. A little more than halfway.
Lower.
Seriously,
Crap.
I'm not messing with you.
I
There
feel
you
it.
go.
I just got to get in the right spot.
All right, now look up. This is the
The money shot.
I've been recording this one, Dad.
Oh, man, that's awesome. Is that what you're supposed to do? Airplane mode?
Yeah. And low power mode on your battery.
Looking good, big man.
Gorgeous day here in February. President's Day weekend. Panamint City. Lots of artifacts. Hillside cabins. Beautiful snow-covered inyos in the background. This rock has overhang, and I can see already there's some cool stuff going on here. Wow. What do you see, Jake?
Animals.
Okay, so here's what we see.
You think this has been here, or did it fall over?
It didn't fall over. So some of these we think are native. Some of them might be after contact with Europeans, because there's one.
That red one.
Which one? Oh yeah, there's like a person riding a horse right there. There's a couple of them actually.
And there's that big fat one down there.
That looks like a turtle. Look at that.
Or a bear.
Right there. Doesn't that look like it? I mean, I guess it could be a bear, but it looks kind of rounded on top. And then I thought I saw like big horns on something.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, is that it? Oh yeah, you're right. Okay. So that's pretty cool.
This one has horns as well.
Well, there's looks like some proof that native peoples, first peoples, hung out in Panamint Surprise Canyon before it was Panamint City. Really cool. Love this. What do you think, Jake? You love it?
Yep.
A whole bunch more of the detritus, leftover equipment, left behind equipment, Panamint City. A couple of trailers left behind. Nice truck. Let's see if we can get a peek inside one of these RVs to see how bad they are. I mean, I've seen worse. It was pretty bad. Here's probably the electrical generators that ran everything up here in the 70s. Had to be at least 2 generators, if not 3 or 4. This is where a couple people pitched their tent last night, next to the Hilton, Panamint City. Somebody was serious about this structure when they built it. It's great. Here's some of the machinery left right below the castle, and we picked up a couple of pieces of quartz that had silver and azurite in them. Here, Jake, show me your rock. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice stuff. Jake found this mine.
not going
This is
further.
called the timber mine
These shafts have,
serious reasons.
many of
obvious
these shafts have
reasons.
vertical shafts that don't have a mark, don't have like a taper. You're not.
This is what they were looking for.
That's pretty solid. I'm not gonna climb it.
Found a big hole over here.
Up there.
And then there's a shaft of light up here where they were drilling down from the top. There's a giant hole right over there. Okay, we scrambled up. Here's another mine. Well, it's the same mine actually. Just when I showed you the sunlight, this is where the sunlight's coming from. And I guess this blue rock is kind of the demarcation zone. Do not go past. Even though there's a trail that some brave souls have tried skirting along the side. Look at that. I guess they call this the timber mine now. I don't know how far back it goes, but that's that deep shaft. Very cool. And hope this rain wouldn't be quite this bad this morning and last night. And right now it looks pretty bad. We're gonna have to hike out of here. About 3 hours in this weather. So should be really fun. And then we gotta drive down that wet, soupy road. Lots of adventures left for today. All right, we're down past the waterfall, almost at the end of the trail. No rain, we're doing good. Little monument here. It's about the establishment of Ballarat. There's some old structures falling down, some old equipment, and there's actually a little store, a little trading post right there that is staffed by somebody. And there's a campground out here. Beautiful. Here we are at the 3 monuments for Panamint City, Ballarat. Wild burros. Hello, buddy. We stopped in Trona. We're at the Trails Drive-In. Great food, clean restrooms, established 1958. It's supposed to be the spot to come and get some grub around here. That's what we've been told, so we're gonna go check it out. Nice little spot here. We're starving after, eating trail food for a couple of days.